Please be advised, the following presentation is not intended for minors.
Hello, welcome to Jackson's Mind Goblins, where I purposely make terrible videos to appease my mind goblins. Today we are back with more Monster Hunter Wilds, just because I want to play more. I'm trying to find, like, every available, like, spot of time that I have just to play Monster Hunter.
Are we going to the forest?
Apparently so. It's been a few days since the last time we, actually played, so I've completely forgotten what I did. Right, didn't I fight that, giant pug thing in the lightning storm? Wasn't that the last thing I did?
Might we have a moment?
Suppose you might. Sorry, who are you again?
Yeah, just a bunch of losers, don't mind us.
It's Selma from Avis Unit.
Uh-huh. Okay, don't remember.
Alright, cool.
So, shoot.
Have you seen Olivia and Eric?
You've seen Olivia and Eric. We have Sacred from Kunafa Village for them.
Nope. Been a bit since I saw them.
Did they leave to investigate the White Wraith, perhaps?
Ah, right. They did tell me they were heading out. Something about a dam deep in the forest.
Alright, what is Astrum Unit's mission?
Astrum Unit's primary mission here. Is it to look for the White Wraith?
I heard that unlike other volunteers and referrals, you came to the Forbidden Lands on guild orders.
I suppose. But rescuing the Keepers is our main objective. At least, that's Olivia's. I've got something else I'm working on.
And that would be...
Something else?
The boy's pendant. My orders are to get to the bottom of it.
Okay.
Nobody can figure out what the hell it is. A complete enigma.
Did you ask him about it?
Some little trinket. It's important. And just know it.
Because if anything, I think the kid would know.
They say go east and I go east. All there is to it.
Alright, well, tell us about your past work.
Hey, think I could twist your arm into telling me how you came up with Wyvern's Fire?
Didn't come up with it. Just the principle. It was too long ago for me to remember anyway.
You know you remember. Come on, you gotta tell me. Wyvern's Fire basically mimics the way real wyverns condense and release energy, right? That tech is used everywhere. Wyvern Blast, the Demolisher, and a whole bunch of others. It's too amazing to just forget.
Alright, we get it. You're autistic about explosions.
Shall we go deliver those to their sacred?
Can I come? Maybe we'll find the Wraith.
I'll pass. I don't want to waste any more energy than I have to.
Alright, Fat Flock, let's go.
Be this way.
God, my bird is fucking radioactive green. Oh my god, we're still in Chapter 1, are you kidding me? I kinda assumed that huge fucking, you know, story mission where I had to fight in a lightning storm would at least be the end of the chapter, but no.
Attacked our village. Smashed everything in sight. People were panicking. I could see it over my uncle's shoulder. This horrible white thing. It's burned into my mind.
The rain's really coming down.
Yeah, sure is.
I can barely keep my eyes open. That's causing the water currents to surge too.
A downpour like this could have an effect on the monsters. We should all be extra careful.
Yeah, let's hurry.
Oh,
SOS flare!
I was trying to pick up a thing.
Let's go!
They're in trouble.
This is bad. Hurry. This is Astrum Unit we're talking about. It has to be a formidable monster they're calling for help.
Nah, I don't think so. It's gonna be something that's, like, pretty easy to deal with. But, you know, they just happen to be in trouble because, you know, the plot demands it. God, fucking flashbang there, Jesus.
Don't move.
Hi, Eric. Did you get yourself in trouble again? Ooh. What the hell's that thing? Uta Duna.
No, that's not the monster. This is its territory, and we're intruders. I'll draw its attention. You take Eric and run.
Kabonk. Oh shit, look out. Man, this is making me miss my hammer. Shocker, the guy who likes to just go in and hit things used to use a hammer.
Thought we could give it the slip. Guess I was wrong. We'll wear it down, then try again.
I'll help.
Thanks.
Oh, hell yes, you're gonna assist? Fuck yeah, let's go.
We have a signal. Can you ride?
Oh god, the water pushes me. Alright, that's a little annoying. Ruins my positioning, but if anything, it helps me get out of the way of attacks. Ow! That hurts.
All right, time to get serious.
Usually, minigun mode. Ooh, I'm doing less damage. I don't like that. There we go. What is that? Okay, big belly flop. Ow. Get out of it. It's winding up a big attack. Ow, fuck. Hello? Use the fucking potion? Thank you. Oh, I had a status. Ricky, get out the way. Ah, you fuck. Face me, you coward.
Easy now.
God, this thing is big and chonky. Oh, we're not wounding it either. Ow. Get up, use your potion. Oh, it's a little hard to tough it out when it nearly killed me. Ooh, it has a wound. Fuck. Its attacks are so huge. Oh, perfect timing. Alright. Show me your face. Let me see your face. You're the one from my dreams. Hell yeah. Getting two birds stoned at once. Oh, fuck. God, this thing is so fucking big. Oh, it's got a wound on its arm. Oh, it's got another one. Did I hit it? Fuck yeah, I did. I'm getting better at this. Oh my god, it opened up another one as it was walking away. Let's move. It's going in the water? Fuck, where is it going?
We need to drive it as far into the forest as we can. If it finds our base camp, we're in trouble.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's corner it.
Fucking game, please. Alright, so it's gonna pop out here. What the fuck is this?
That veil protecting it is made of water and fluid. We either destroy the veil or find a way to target its body directly.
Love it, Sean.
This looks like a destroyed building. I see some man-made shit here. Fucking take the gun out. Your gun was already out. Why'd you swap to the slinger, you idiot? Alright, someone distract it. Need it. Shoot it in the leg. Oh my god, that actually worked. Ow. Of course, it still managed to hit me. Ooh, hello. Sheath. Oi, dickhead. This way. Over here. No. Rika, I'm trying to fucking get it over here so I can crush it with this thing. Okay, here we go. Sheath it, sheath it, sheath it. Oh, it goes the... Oh, shit. Oh, that was fucking rad, though. That did so much damage to it. Oh, it's got a wound. Bitch. Where'd the wound go? You running away again, you coward? Yeah, it is.
Keep your eyes peeled.
We'll drive it off.
Again, where the fuck were we? So yeah, this shit's man-made.
See that splish splashing over there? That's a sign of fish gathering.
Yeah, cool. I don't care. We're here to kill this thing.
Leave this one to me.
Hey, good job. Leave me alone. Come on, Olivia, do the thing. You've opened up some wounds. Hey, nice. Can I get up on this thing at all? Oh, no, no. Oh, shit. I tried, but I missed. Oh, he broke it. Oh, fuck off. Yeah, thanks for screaming at me, dumbass. I get that one too? Sure did. Okay, I think I saw a third wound somewhere. Oh, yeah, like, right up there. Olivia did nothing about. Alright, are you running away or doing some kind of big attack? You are doing some kind of big attack. Okay. Alright, that wasn't enough to get up on it. Thanks, Rika. Ow! That let me have one hit in. Hello? Let me survive one hit. But I've used most of my fucking potions just on this fight. Oh god. Oh lord, he coming. Yep, he sure is. Fucking so am I. Yeah! Got it finally. Oh, he's not a fan of me. Oh, she's fucking knocked it out. Yeah, let's go. Fuck yeah, Olivia, let's go. Oh, we don't get to kill it? That was actually a really fucking fun fight.
Time to go.
Right.
Olivia!
Were you able to subdue it?
For now.
That was a rather ferocious monster, yes? Come on.
It's back? Do I get to kill it this time? The fuck?
What is that thing?
That's it.
I was still hoping that I imagined the whole thing.
So that's the White Wraith?
But no. The White Wraith. It's real!
They fly now? They fly now. Can I at least carve up the corpse of the thing that it killed? Please? You You okay, kid?
Nata? It's okay.
Is that what we're after?
The White Wraith.
Well, there's nothing for us here. Let's head back to base camp.
Wait! Could you give me some time to investigate what it was doing here?
Can I at least carve up that corpse? Please? No. Oh well. God, that was a 10-minute fight. Fuck. Even with Olivia's help. Oh, can I cover it up now? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Ooh, I got a plate. Oh, I got another one. Oh, fucking yo. Sick. Okay, now that I'm done. Hey, what's up?
Shall we return to base camp for now? Let's go.
Okay, let's review what we know. First, I think we can agree that the monster that crashed our hunt was indeed the White Wraith.
We can also report that it did something to the Leviathan that proved fatal. However, there were no traces of external trauma, which means
It's all internal.
the White Wraith was somehow able to use a non-physical method of attack.
Not troubling at all.
We should pay the Woodwoods a visit. Someone else might have seen our culprit.
Why would they know?
My unit will investigate here a bit longer. Good luck.
Oh, Shadow in the Downpour. Alright, cool. So, what can I actually make with the plates that I got? New milestone reach trophy. What? What the fuck is that?
Hunter, is it true you had a run-in with the White Wraith?
Yeah, alright.
I can't believe it exists.
You want to animate your face a bit more there, Gemma, or...?
Chasing a ghost.
Like, sorry, I just had Botox injections. My face is kind of dead at the moment.
Feels a lot more real. A second encounter can't have been any less traumatic for him.
Builds character. Let's see.
What are we
What about new... Ah. Ooh, just a giant fucking cannon. Yo. I need monster fluid. Ah, but I don't have any claws for it though. Fuck. Oh, but that looks so cool though. It's just a giant fucking cannon. God, with this and that random, like, weeb dude that I found in, Pirate Yakuza, what is it with people just, like, carrying cannons? Oh, God, okay, so that's... Yeah, I can't make that, because I didn't get a fang. I can't make any of those. Oh, well. That's a bit of a shame. You know what, I might as well make this.
Alrighty.
Just so I can eventually make other things.
Perfection.
No, I'm good. Alright, what about armor, though? Oh, right, yeah, the punk shit. The Balahara. Right, the drill lizard thing. Right. Yeah, the armor set looks kind of cool. The Shagama, Jesus Christ. That helmet? That fucking helmet looks rad. Really? I can only see this? I can't see the rest of it? Okay, it just didn't... No, no, okay. So I need something else. That's a bit of a shame. Oh, well. How much of this set can I actually make? Let's see, I have 2 scales, 1 skull, so I can make that. Won't be able to make the chest. Won't be able to make that. I won't be able to make a lot of it, actually. Bit of a shame. Oh, well, I need better, like, greaves.
Alrighty.
Still using the cheddar copper shit.
Perfection.
There we go.
I'm ready to work.
Grab this as well.
Perfection.
Just so it fits with the greaves. And I can make the gloves. I'm out of scales. And I'll be out of skulls after this too.
Look good. Alrighty. Perfection.
Got them ironed up, but with a little bit of flair.